So to make our consommé, we'll begin by adding our fish stock to a large pot. Now in a separate bowl, we'll add the egg whites from 2 whole eggs. We'll then begin to beat this until it forms soft peaks, and this will only take a minute or so. We'll add that to our stock and mix gently. Once it begins to simmer, mix once again. And this is now creating what we call a raft, as the egg whites are collecting all the impurities in the stock as it simmers, while clarifying it in the process. We'll then line a strainer with some paper towel over top a cambro. I'll then pour the stock ladle by ladle. If the paper towel gets clogged by the remaining egg white, simply pour the stock into another strainer lined with a coffee filter or paper towel. I'll do this once more. And if it needs some encouragement, gently use the back of your ladle to push the liquid through. And there's our consommé, clarified and extremely clear. And as you can see, it's quite gelatinous, which is due to the tons of collagen found within the fish heads.